Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. Now, Google Docs does not have a built-in dark mode, but we can actually download an extension that provides the dark mode for Google Docs, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to go to Google Chrome, and then you're going to type in dark mode Google Docs Chrome extension. And then you're going to click on the one that says dark mode Google Docs Chrome Web Store. Then here's the extension to make your Google Docs dark mode. Then you're going to go ahead and click on add to Chrome and then add extension, and then you'll see that it's added. And the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this extension icon and you want to pin it so that you can see it in your taskbar here. So now you can see the icon here. So now you're going to go back to Chrome, and as you can see, it's actually now in dark mode. So that's how you add your dark mode to Google Chrome. If you'd like to change your setting of your dark mode, you can actually do it by clicking on the extension, and then you can turn it off if you'd like. You can change the brightness, the contrast, and so forth. So you can make some adjustment to your dark mode. If you'd rather not install a Chrome extension to have your pages in dark mode, I do have a workaround that will make your pages dark. The other areas will be white, but the pages will be dark. That will help some if you don't want to add this Chrome extension. I do have a video of that. I'm going to put it in the description and also in the comment section as well, so you can check that out. And you should see the video popping up on the right of your screen right here. You can click on it to watch it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.